Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick, and partners along with Bob Iacino. I wanted to get this video quickly. Bitcoin on the move finally. So you see here we're watching above 95.26, got the close. It actually spiked up. Look at that, spiking up just to our GAN level projection, pulling back at closing above the key level. Now moving up, just moved through the next key area. So just moved through the 97.17 area. We're watching focus on 9,700. We can now, let's just see where this is moving pretty quick. So 97.50. I'm going to need to find a pausing bar. So we've got a pausing bar here. So this is good. It's real time, some real time analysis for everybody. Here we go. We got the little 1 hour pausing bar. And so this gives us our next key levels, 98.18. It's the next key area, and you can see here there's a lot of selling up here. Now remember, above some of these levels, there's been a lot of selling pressure. Next significant area, we're watching 98.94, so 9,900. Let's look at the key support. Key support that I'd be watching back about this 95.26 area, rising rotation zone. So if we did dip back down, that would be my first level of support. Then major support coming in about 94.25. Taking a look at the daily. So you see it's been in this consolidation area for quite some time. Held the 50, paused, now finally rotating back up, but it's still within the consolidation. So even though it looks like this is it's a big relative bar, but it's still within the bigger pattern. It really has to get above this 98.94, 9,900 level. And then we still have some other areas because it's attracted a lot of selling up here. That's why we're really watching that key level. If we do get above there, next level I'd focus on is about 10,200. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum also really strong move up. Let me get back to 4 hour. So you see pausing there briefly at the top of our area, pausing there at 244.98, so 245, pulling back. Then we'd have to go back to a 1 hour and use that key level for our next level. So I'm going to take this, drag it over to this pausing area. That's going from a reverse GAN box to a forward GAN box. Let me make sure I get them lined up right. Now we'll jump back to the 4 hour. So that was a pausing bar on the 1 hour. If on a continued move higher, 248.94, so 249. Also, if you look here, that's where there was prior selling pressure up there, so would not ignore that level. And then 252.40. Key support now coming in. Let me remove a couple of these lines down here. Key support zone right here, this dual area with the rising rotation zone, so about 238. And then if you want to go above that, 240, so right in here is the key support area we'll be watching on any pullback. So that would be prior resistance becoming support. Let's take a look at that daily chart. So rotation zone went flat, now it's finally starting to separate, but up here, look at this 249 level, lots of selling pressure up here, so definitely do not ignore that level. Above that area, then you'd have to come out and you'd have to do a big projection. So the key area to the big would be from that low up to this high to give you the major levels. So if we break above 253.60, 274.05, and 294.50. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.